What to do with your paycheck. Yay, it's payday! But wait a minute, before you book a trip to Vegas, let's turn this paycheck into a celebration of your financial future. First, prepare for the unexpected with an emergency fund. Since life throws curveballs, aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Scott Credit Union offers savings accounts with great rates that are perfect for building your emergency fund. Next, even though retirement may seem far off, it comes faster than you think. Many workplaces offer 401k retirement plans with matching contributions. That's right, free money that you don't want to leave on the table. Now, don't forget your student loans. Even a small monthly payment saves you big on interest in the long run. And finally, it's time for the fun part. Celebrate your accomplishment with a reward, a night out with friends, a concert ticket, or whatever puts a smile on your face. Just remember to keep it within your budget. Your paycheck is key to financial independence. It's all about balance, planning for the future, and enjoying the present. So let's turn your paycheck into the start of a bright financial future. Hope this helps, and check out our other videos for more tips.